If you need to make a Jira dashboard that is colorful, useful, and shareable with anyone, then you're in luck. I will show you how to do so in Visor. Visor allows you to create very useful Jira dashboard views that you can share with teams that don't even use Jira. Let me show you how. Visor has a bidirectional two-way sync with Jira, allowing you to pull in your project data and even push out updates. Once your data is in Visor, you will see it in a table view. From here, you'll be able to create a dashboard view. To create the dashboard view, simply hit Add View in the bottom left of your workbook. From there, you will see the dashboard option. From there, you will see that you can add a card to your dashboard. Visor offers a few cards, count and percent, to show a count of records or a percent of records matching the criteria that you set. We also have a pie chart and a bar chart, which you can color code. Lastly, you can add rich text to describe the content in your dashboard to collaborators, and you can even embed content from other places like Google Sheets. When working with the chart options in Visor, it's a really great idea to add conditional formatting to color code your data. Here, I am using a pie chart that is displaying issue types from Jira. If I change the criteria of what it is displaying over to owner, you will see that the chart has changed, including the coloring. And that's because I have added conditional formatting to various fields. Once you have added formatting to your charts, you can also add filters. Filters allow you to have a more precise view of your data. Here, I'm looking at all of the issue types by owner of issues. If I want to add a filter here and look at just, let's say, Patrick, Halden, and Andrew's work, then I am able to do so. Using the count card, I can also add filters. So here I want to look at the marketing team's Jira issues for the month of July. I know that both Halden and myself are on the marketing team. Therefore, I am able, through filters, to be able to create this card. And when I'm done, I can add it to my dashboard. As I build out my dashboard, I can add more cards like the percent card, which allows me to get a percentage. So for instance, if I want to see what percentage of Jira issues I have, I can do that. If I add Halden, so I can see what percentage of Jira issues the marketing team has, I can alter that pretty easily. I also add titles and descriptions to all of my cards so that they're easy for other people to view. As I add more cards to my dashboard, I can also arrange where they appear in my dashboard before deciding to share my dashboard with whoever I please. And that's really it. Creating a dashboard with your Jira data or even project data that you manually input into Visor is super easy. Try it out today and let us know your feedback. We're always making improvements and updates to all of our views.